a draft resolution that provides support for the International Criminal Court. It also reminded member states and regional organizations of the importance of cooperating with the prosecutorial as well as judicial bodies. Despite almost 80 co-sponsors of the draft, a number of countries slammed what they referred to as the court's ineffectiveness and selectivity. They also accused other powerful countries of hijacking the court's operational mandate, leading to a distortion of the institution.
On the 31st of December,
A rollover draft adopted without a vote.
it is so decided.
While the ICC enjoys strong support among UN member states, 124 that are states parties to the Rome Statute, the court is not without its detractors.
The
ICC has, in the nearly 15 years of its existence, only delivered 4 verdicts, having spent more than $1 billion. The ICC worked expeditiously only once, in 2011, when in mere days, which coincided precisely with NATO bombing of Libya, when it transitioned from preliminary examination of a situation referred to it by the Security Council to a formal investigation of Muammar Gaddafi. However, the decades-old situation vis-à-vis Iraqi and Afghan civilian casualties, this still remains at the stage of preliminary investigation. Guilty parties have yet to be identified.
Sudan warned against what it called attempts to make member states of the United Nations parties to the Rome Statute and rejected its targeting of African states. Kenya warned against powerful countries dominating the court's processes.
We request that going forward, member states consider changing their focus to best reflect the realities on the ground. We want to see an interpretation and implementation of the Rome Statute that treats all member states equally, without artificial divisions and categorizations that depict one group as owners and gallant defenders of the ICC, and the other as the subjects of the ICC for which the ICC was established.
The court has broad support from Europe and Latin American states in the main.
If states do not provide the cooperation necessary for the court's functioning in accordance with their legal obligations, the court will not be able to fulfill its mandate, and impunity will continue to flourish. Cooperation of states, international organizations and civil society remains essential.
Reacting earlier to remarks by Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni, who expressed a lack of support for the court, a UN spokesperson called for states parties to uphold their responsibilities under the Rome Statute. Sherman Bryceby's SABC News, New York.